Okay, so if we will consider first core Java, you go to any interview, first the interviewer will ask core Java. But in core Java, the most important topic is collection framework. You remember. So the most important topic is collection framework. Without collection framework, so core Java is meaningless. Nowadays, in real-time scenario, any project, whatever that is going on, the concept of collection the developer using. So in collection framework, the first interview question, how to avoid duplicates from array list. How to avoid duplicates from array list. Now, this is a fresher beginner question. But when 3 plus, 5 plus, that question they will ask, and it's the favorite question of Tech Mahindra. This question, if suppose they will ask to a experienced, avoiding duplicates from array list using Stream API. So I will explain two things. Okay. So collection. Collection means what? A group of data items, group of homogeneous and heterogeneous. That means similar or multiple types of data items treated as a single entity. That is a collection. And when the concept of collection is coming to our picture, basically we will consider list, set, map. So these are the interfaces. List is an interface, set is an interface, map is an interface. Built-in interface coming from java.util package. In maximum time, the interviewer will ask, do you know util package? Do you know util package? So util package means that is your collection framework. Any collection framework program, when we will write, it is mandatory that we have to import a package that is java.util package. It is mandatory. So that's why collection framework is also called as util package. Maximum time interviewer will ask. So when the concept of collection is coming to our picture, some terminologies that we will bring into our mind. One is a list, one is a set, one is a map. So all are built-in interfaces. So in list, so in implementation class, so array list. In set, array list, linked list. In set, hash set, linked hash set, tree set. I'm not going through in detail because webinar is Java for interview. Just a little bit information that I am providing, but directly we will go to the question and I will resolve the question and I will explain. So hash set, tree set, linked hash set. Similarly, in map, similarly hash map. So based on hash map, a compulsory question that today I will show you and I will explain. Okay, so first point is list. There are many collections, but in which scenario we are using list? When duplicates are allowed and insertion order is preserved. When I want to represent a group of data items where duplicates are allowed, so 10, 10, 30. So duplicates, 10 is the duplicate data item. Duplicates are allowed. Insertion order is preserved. In which order we insert data, in same order we get data. So that is the concept of a list. So question is how I will avoid duplicates from array list. So then we will consider an array list object. We will see then what is the feature of set, so that we have to know. Feature, set feature is what? Just reverse of a list. duplicates are not allowed, and insertion order is not preserved. So duplicates are not allowed. This is the feature of set. So anyhow, if I will do analysis, suppose I will consider an array list object. That array list object will contain some data items. That data items, if I will assign in a hash set object, then duplicates will remove. This is the answer. Okay, this is a fresher question, beginner's question. But when we will come to the experienced, this avoiding duplicates from array list using stream API. So this is a concept of Java 8. Today I will what give the clarity. So collection versus a stream. Everything that I will give the clarity today. So first of all, simple editor that I will open Notepad, import java.util.star package. Now class, let class demo1, suppose let public static word main string args. Now see, we are discussing interview questions and answers. But prerequisite is at least you all have some knowledge regarding Java. Little bit knowledge you have. Otherwise, you may face the difficulties. So now the students are joining. Okay. So first of all, I will take an ArrayList object. ArrayList AL equals to new ArrayList. So by invoking add method support 10 al dot add let 10, students are joining. So al dot add 20, al dot add let it 20, let al dot add suppose 30, let al dot add method is a ready-made method. So invoking by the ArrayList object system dot out dot println. So al. Okay, suppose first what I did, I created an ArrayList object, and by invoking add method, so I assign some data items 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40. Now you see, I will save my program. I will go to, for today's session, I have created a folder Java webinar, Java webinar in E drive. So file name is demo1.java, and I will do all files and I will save. I will go to command prompt. I will go to command prompt. Go to E drive. Go to Java webinar folder. Java C demo1.java. Then Java space demo1. You see, I got the output 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40. So here duplicates are allowed. 10 is the duplicate data item, 20 is the duplicate data item, duplicates are allowed. Okay, and insertion order is preserved. First I had inserted 10, so I got 10. Second I had inserted 10, then I got 10. So in which order we had inserted, in same order we got the data item. Now coming to our question, so we will avoid duplicates, we will remove duplicates, we will remove duplicates from this array list. Okay, so what I will do, you see, first you do the analysis. Set is not allowing duplicates, so set is an interface. Hash set is the implementation class of set interface. So if I will assign the value of AL. AL is my array list object. If I will assign the value of AL in a hash set object, then automatically duplicates data items will remove, because the set feature is duplicates are not allowed. If I will insert duplicate data items into a set object, then there is no effect, there is no impact. So only one data item will come. Duplicates 2 times 10 will not come. 2 times 20 will not come. Only one time 10 we will get, one time 20 we will get. You see, suppose I will take suppose another array list object. Let AL2 suppose. Then new array list. So what I will do, my target is I will assign the value of AL in into hash set object. So hash set is a built-in class name. Hash set is a built-in class name. So we know that how to create an object, new class name, new class name. This is object, class name object name equals to new class name. This is object declaration syntax, or we can write new has new class name, that is object declaration. So I have to represent an hash set object. So that's why I wrote new class name is hash set. Hash set is the implementation class of set interface. Within a bracket I will pass al. That means a hash set object I created, and in hash set object I assigned the value of al. So that al value assigned in al2. Al2 is my output list. Okay, so I will write system dot out dot println. So what the value of al2? So simple, this is the answer. We will see the output. So slowly joining already 11:30. Okay, so this is the way. This is one of the common interview questions to 0 to 3 years of experience. So array list is given, and that array list containing duplicate data items. That what duplicate data items I will assign in a hash set object. So we know that set not allowing duplicate data items. So whatever the result, so it will assign in AL2. You see, now I will save. Now I will go to command prompt Java C demo 1.java, then Java space demo 1. You see, so out there are two output statements, system.out.println al, system.out.println al2. You see, so 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, but you see 20, 40, 10, 30. So duplicates are allowed. Okay, sorry, duplicates are not allowed, that we know that in that the feature of set. But when I printed the value of al2, so 20, 40, 10, 30, here question may arise, sir, 10, 20, 30, 40 should come, but 20, 40, 10, 30, why it is coming? Because we created a hash set object, and in hash set object we inputted the value of al. Al is the array list object, that is 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40. Set feature is insertion order is not preserved. So in which order we will insert, in any order we will get the data item, that is the feature of set. But we can see in order all the data items. So we will get according to a particular order. How? If you will write new linked hash set. Linked hash set is the implementation class of set interface. But here in case of linked hash set, what insertion order is preserved. If I will create a linked hash set object and into that object the value of AL I will assign, then that duplicates will remove and data item will come according to an order. You see, Java C space demo one dot Java, then Java space demo one class name. You see, so 10, 20, 30, 40. So I hope everybody got clarity. Okay, so this is the first question towards beginners, 0 to 3 years experience. What is array list and how to remove, how to duplicates what from array list. So I hope everybody got clarity. Give a response. Either you what give a response through chat box. So coming the most important point, 0 to 12 years of experience, 0 to 10 years of experience question based on this question. Avoiding duplicates from array list using stream API. Stream API. So first of all, before going to that point, I want to give the clarity. So collection versus a stream. Okay, then I will come to this point. Avoiding duplicates from array list using stream API. That is the concept of a Java 8 feature. So very strictly speaking, if anybody exports in Java 8, okay, definitely he or she can get any type of company, any type he or she can what can get a good result in any type of interview. He can tackle any type of interview. Java 8 feature, functional interface, marker interface, lambda expression, then stream API. The most important point is stream API. So basically, uh, I will come to the question, but just little bit point I will discuss. What is collection and stream? Collection means collection is an interface. Collection is an interface. Stream is an interface. If I will so defining collection versus a stream. So collection, if we want to represent a group of data items treated as a single entity, then we should go for collection. Okay, then when we want to process data item from collection, then we should go for stream. So whatever the collection containing data item, and if we want to get some insight, okay, by processing the data item collection containing whatever the data item, so control will treat as that is object data actually. So when you remember, so when we want to process the data item from the collection, then we use stream concept or stream API. Stream is an interface. Collection is an interface. And how to get stream object. So stream, let's suppose is any collection dot stream method. If we want to represent the concept of stream, there is a method. That method name is stream method. It is a Java 8 feature. It is a Java 8 concept. So any collection object can invoke stream method. When stream method is invoking by collection object, any collection object, maybe array list, maybe linked list, maybe set object, any collection object, then it is returning a stream object, and the package is so stream interface is coming from java.util.stream package. That means it is a sub package of java.util. Java.util. It is a package dot string. That is sub package. Bhubaneswar dot Joydevya. So Joydevya is a sub module of Bhubaneswar. Same way. Okay. So now we will come to our question. Same question. How to avoid duplicates from array list using stream API. using stream API. So in which way that will write the code? It is very common interview question. So compulsory question, if minimum, if you will give 10 times interview, 7 times you may face this type of question, this type of question. So coming to this next point, so file, so let it import java.utility star package. Star means all built-in classes and interfaces coming from java.utility package. Okay, then java.import java.utility.stream.star package. But particularly, there is a one uh, class that we can import dot collectors. I will explain what is this import java.util, what I wrote that point. I will explain. I will explain. Don't worry. Currently, suppose I will write star package. Then class let demo 2 public static void main string args. Okay, so util package I imported and stream I imported. Okay, so first of all, same concept. So first of all, I will represent a list. And you remember, guys, varieties of representation that you have to acquainted. Okay, otherwise, suppose you have acquainted in one type of a declaration. So in any interview, written exam or technical round, suppose they will suppose interviewer will give another representation, you may confuse. Okay, you see list in this way, integer within tag I wrote, that means integer type of data I will assign. So in this, in previous example, this type of tag I have not represented, that's why this type of warning it is arising. But once tag, if I will represent, this warning will not arise, but this is optional. List within tag I wrote integer. Integer is a wrapper class of int, int data type. So that means whatever we are representing, whatever we are declaring list, that will contain integer data items. Suppose I will write list 1 equals to, okay, so list 1, we have a list, let the name of the list is list 1, but containing which type of data items? Integer type of data items. Which type of data items if I want to specify, then this is the process actually within angle bracket within tag. So I, you have to specify the corresponding class. Then what I'm writing, you see, arrays dot as list. There is a method as list. Is a built-in method to representing lists. Same 10 comma 10, same data item 20 comma 20 comma 20 comma let 30 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Suppose. Okay, so now what I did, I presented a list. Name of the list is list 1 containing these data items. But here we saw so many data items are duplicate data items. If you write system dot out dot println, you see list 1. Suppose, okay, suppose I want to see what is the value of list 1 or demo 2 dot java, and I will do all files, then I will say there is a class in particularly, just I will check collectors files java c demo true not java. So actually java.util.stream, that is not the full package. Particularly ArrayList method and one point that I am going to represent. So that method, so all are coming from collectors. So collectors is a class name and ArrayList method, toolList method. So these methods are invoking by the collectors. So particularly in this context, that collectors that we have to import actually. For that reason, actually, so it is but perfectly output is coming. So if collectors, if I will not represent, so that's why error was coming. Java.util.stream, it was error. Clear? First give a response. But my question is not that. First of all, what I did in two lines, I presented a list. Name of the list is list 1. Now, I will, task is what? I will create another list. Whatever the duplicates are removed, so that after removal, whatever the data item 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so that data item will assign in list 2 suppose. Similarly, so I will take list integer, let list 2. Okay, so what I will write. So first of all, we have to bring the concept of a stream. So how? First of all, we have to call stream method. We have to call stream method. Stream method coming from stream interface, and it is invoking by any collection object. So here list one dot stream method. Okay, list one dot stream method, and here particularly to avoiding duplicates means one data item one times. For that there is a method, distinct method, DESTINCT, distinct method, and collecting. So it will collect. For that collect method. Okay, so in collect method, collecting distinct data item. Okay, so how it will collect? There is a method, two list method, and two list methods invoking by collectors. Two list method. Okay, so this is the solution. And now I will write system.out.println list 2. This. So here, what are the advantages of string? Code complexity is reducing. Within a one line of code, within a one line of code, we are getting the solution. So tool list method invoking by the collectors class. So with this part I have specified within a collect method. So sorry, it is stream. So distinct data item we are getting by invoking collect method, by collecting distinct data items, okay, with the help of stream concept. That's why how it is a stream concept, because collection dot stream method, this is common. Then as per the requirement, as per the problem statement, we are writing this point. So this is the concept of stream API. Now you see, I will save. I will go to command prompt, Java C space demo2.java, then Java space demo2. You see, so first output statement, because output is coming. What you have written the output statement. Output is whatever you have written the output statement. Based on that statement, output will come to the picture. So first output list one value 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50. Second output statement is list two value. But list two value is what? Removing duplicate data items 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I hope everybody got clarity.